So I have told in a previous short that I will be making a Apex focus group full video that you can understand what to do here. Now you have to type Apex focus group on Google, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, whichever browser you want to write. Just go there and write this keyword. Then tap this one, and here the Apex focus group will open, and written written part-time focus group participant remote work from home. Here we have to click on apply now. For some participant, they were unable to click that link. They will just go to the link, the main page. Then for them, I have to show what is that. Then click on that link. They will redirect to this main page of Apex focus group. Then they will scroll down and click on join us now, and then the previous one which I have opened before, that page will open. Now let's read what they will tell you. Here from this website we can earn up to 750 per week. Now description some. Here we have to just test some product which they will give to us. I mean, which they will sell to us. Child related products, individual cell phones, we can taste entertainment things, food, we have to taste sport, which electronic or pet animal, automobile, whichever field you are interested to, you just have to put your field, and then according to that you have to choose a group, and then you have to test those things and to share with the company. The qualification, there are not much qualification needed for that, just have to have a laptop or mobile with a proper webcam, or a phone with proper working camera. They have must access to reliable internet connection and ability to read, understand, follow the written instructions. And they have to have a burning desire to do some topics. No experience is needed here. Here the job benefits are flexible time, wherever, whenever you can take this work from. Which time you want to take, it's upon you. All is upon you, what you will we have to do. Now the education requirements, high school diploma or is equivalent, because you just here you have seen that we just have a ability to read, understand and follow oral and written instructions, so we have to have this education requirement, unless we don't have to. Now composition, we have to, yeah, according to our time we have given here, for multi studies 350 to $700 will $750 will get. Otherwise for our basis 35 to $75 per hour will get. Now to do that, let's click on apply link. Now let's fill up this link. After filling up the form, we'll get a email like that. And this is from uh, Justin Jones, and I would like to welcome you to the group. Justin Jones sent me this email to welcome me to the group Apex Focus Group. Now, how I will confirm that it's from Apex Focus? Now that Justin Jones Apex Focus Group, he send me the email. Now we have to click on this link to to proceed to the other details. Now after clicking on this link, we have to go here to apply. Click on that. We'll get here. Now we have to see the video if we want to see it. After, otherwise we can register today. This video contains the instruction we have to done. We have to do anything. That type of instruction. I have seen the video previously, so let's get to the next step. Register today. Now we'll have to create our username, our password, confirm password. We have to give our email, then tick those things and create account. After that they will ask me for some information required to them. I will give them, and after that the test will begin. Please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching the full video, and I will bring you to all this type of creative content and creative ideas to earn money from home.